got these chrome French tip Kirby 3D snag blinged out nails. And let's get right into it. First, I'm going to speed through my prep because that doesn't really matter. Unless you guys do want to see like an in-depth tutorial on how I do my prep, then let me know in the comments. But I'm using the Kiara Sky mandrel bits with a fine sanding band to clean around my cuticles. And I also used a ball bit to go around my cuticles first. I'm going to cut off a little bit of dead skin that is around my cuticles. This is honestly my favorite part. I love cutting cuticles as long as the nippers are good. If the nippers are not so good, then it's pretty annoying. But yeah, so I went ahead and put on my cuticle oil and top coat so I can do the pop-off method. And I got this builder gel that I'm using as extend gel off of Amazon. It will be linked in the description, and I'm just gonna apply these like Gel-X. These tips are also on Amazon as well. So these are the two colors I'm gonna mix to create the base for my chrome. Normally I would just use a solid color, but I didn't have all of my polishes with me, so I just had to, do what I could. So I'm gonna fill in these French tips, and normally I do like a deep French, but since there was gonna be a lot of art on the French, I did a thicker French. And honestly, y'all, this color is so pretty. Like, look at it. So this is the chrome I'm gonna be using. I got this from my local nail supply store, and I'm just going to use a little sponger thing to rub that chrome on there. And because I didn't use an opaque base, that is what gave the chrome a kind of jelly effect, which was pretty cool at the end. So this is the color I'm going to use for the base of my French. I just filled in the empty part, and I did 2 coats of this on each nail. So now here is the Kirby charms. I received those charms from a friend, so I don't know where she got them from, but these little like molding gel things are off of Amazon, which will also be linked in my bio. And for this one, I should have just made the charms first and then apply them on the nail, but it was really a try as you go type of thing with these nails. But yeah, I'm just gonna shape this up to look like a strawberry. And here's the little green pieces. I really should have used red, but I was trying to be like tropical-y colors, and I was also gonna use red for the cherries, so I was like, let me just use pink. So yeah, I'm just shaping this up. All of these little molding gels come in a kit. So yeah, we're just adding the little details. This little brush thing came in the kit as well. It's a silicone brush to help mold the clay. And here I'm making a star. So when I was doing the strawberry, how I was saying how I should have made the charms first, this is what I mean. It's a lot easier to make them, like pre-make them and then just adhere them with some like diamond gel or something like that. But yeah, this star was a little bit hard to do. Making a star from a circle, it's a little hard. So for this part, I just took little pieces of the different colors and put white in between them, and then literally just rolled them together, and it came out looking like this. So then I'm gonna take that and just swirl it into a circle to make the lollipop, and just tuck that in there. And then for the stick, I'm gonna use that neutral color that comes in the kit to make the stick of the lollipop. And this metal tool that I'm using right here is really the other side of a cuticle pusher. Or if you have an X-Acto knife, that would be good too. So here I'm making the little cake. And like I said, I didn't have my normal polishes, like my gel polishes, so I had to use the clay to for every little detail. But normally for the icing part right here, I would have just used a gel polish. This part was pretty tough to do, but like I said, if you have gel polishes or paint or whatever, then that would be a lot easier. Then I just mixed those two colors to create the base for this chocolate chip cookie, and use that same dual-ended cuticle pusher to pick off just tiny little pieces and put in the other gel. I didn't cure it before I put the brown in. Just gonna use a dotting tool to kind of carve out the middle of the donut. Also, another thing I did not mention, before I started applying the charms, I did add another layer of that builder gel that I showed you in the beginning of the video, because with chrome, you have to apply a layer, either a layer of strengthening gel, building gel, base gel, then top coat, just so that the chrome doesn't rub off. Because if you don't, after a little bit, it's gonna start coming off of the edges, and you don't want that, and neither does your clients. I guess this part was optional, but I just felt like I really wanted sprinkles on the donut, but like I said, I didn't have gel polish, so I just made a little drizzle, I guess. And yeah, it looks pretty tasty, honestly. Let me not. I was gonna say I would eat some of these charms if they were actual food. But yeah, the heart was pretty easy, Just carve out a V and then use that same applicator brush to smooth it over. And then it was looking a little bit too thick around the side, so I just cut more of it off. And then cure that in the lamp, and they just literally pop right off, so easy. And then I'm using the Macart rhinestone gel to adhere those charms on my nails. Using the same rhinestone gel and some stones I got off Amazon to bling them out. And this is how they came out, guys. I'm absolutely in love with these, and so were my followers on Instagram. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, definitely go do that and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.